Here define and guide. Okay. Then another short question can be, what are the early requirements engineering activities? What are they? Analyzing and assessing and consolidating. These are the requirements. Early requirements engineering activities. Activities means tasks. The early requirements engineering activities here. These number 3, point number 1, 2, and 3 are the early requirements in requirements engineering. Activities in the requirements engineering. Short answer. Okay. The next one, what are the key components of requirements engineering artifact modeling? What are they? These three. Okay. And then requirements engineering taxonomy, important one. Okay. So here, explain about requirements engineering taxonomy. Here from this, no need to write as it is. You can write in your own words and you have to draw this. Okay. And this next one. This is nothing but what here? A diagram showing the two taxonomies illustrating the different representations of some concepts. What? Actually, the architecture first, if it is asked like what is the architecture of requirements in an taxonomy means this Rasma. Understand? Figure 1 is what about? It is the glossary of a taxonomy. Structure 2 is what here? Two taxonomies illustrating the different representations of same concepts. Main diagram is this. This is about in detail. Two taxonomies illustrating the different representations of the same concepts. Okay. Next you have again explain in detail about requirements engineering taxonomy. Then this slide you have to write. Explain. Important one, okay? You can draw this table or you can draw this Rasma and you can explain this. This slide is important. Attributes, okay? Then this is also very important. Requirements engineering artifact model. This is about write a short note on requirements engineering artifact model. Then you need to write this slide. And up to here. The next question is creating an artifact model. This. How to create an artifact model. From this you have to write it. Okay. Up to here. Explain about creating the requirements engineering artifact model. Long answer from here. Slide number 11 from this point. Menhina. Don't need to write exactly same. You can understand in your own words and write this slide and up to here. This one. Then this is about using the artifact model. In this, here, Using the artifact model is very important here. Okay. This is about illustrating the example of requirements engineering artifact model used by different project roles. Okay, this diagram is about what here? Very important diagram here. This is about using the process artifacts. This is the example of requirements engineering artifact used by different project roles. What are the project roles here? Competition level, okay, decision gate, document, then activity. These are all different roles here. So how this requirements engineering artifacts are used by different project roles with the help of a diagram means you have to draw this diagram. Understood? Then next, see, we can use either artifacts for requirements engineering or templates. This is template, Rasma for template. This is Rasma for artifacts. There is a major difference here. In exam, if the question is like illustrate or draw the example of requirements engineering artifact model used by different project roles with the help of a diagram means you have to draw this here. This is the what is the question for table 1 2.1. This you can see here table number 2.1. This is the question. Okay, where is this table number 1? This. Likewise, this is table 2.12. Here, these are all what here? These are the samples, sample templates and completed templates for business and customer requirement. This is also use of template for requirements engineering artifact. This template is also important. Learn about the template and what are the template uses. What is a template? What are the uses? This is the model of template. This is the use. This can also be given like a short. Okay, this diagram can also be given like a short. This is one of the example for filled in artifact template for business requirements. No need to worry about this. This is just a template. No, you will not be asked to write such template. This is the model of a template. Field details are not asked, only the sample will be asked. Next question is short. What are the quality and completion checks in templates? Okay. The question can be what are the quality and completion checks for requirements engineering using templates? So these are the quality, completion, status, short definitions. The next, explain about creating a system lifecycle process. So you have to write about this active versus passive process up to this diagram. 2 slides. Explain about creating a system lifecycle process. Next is like short. What are the tips for requirements engineering artifact modeling? Now come to Yeah, this is the list. Now come to chapter number 3. What is chapter number 3? Requirements, software requirements engineering. So here definition. What is elicitation? Elicitation is the process of identifying and reading, defining these three things you have to write about elicitation. And also you need to know what is elicitation tariff. Short. This may become like a multiple choice or short. What? I can't see your messages. What are you asking? No screen. I am. You can't see. I'm sharing the screen with you. Can you see the screen? Maybe you have any net issues. All of you can't. All of you can't see. Let me check again. Can you see now? So what I was saying here, chapter number 3, this first slide, slide number 4. What is the definition of elicitation process? And also you need to learn about what is elicitation analysis. Okay, short answers. Then what are the elicitation techniques? List, maybe list small. Maybe you can get it in the multiple choice. Next one. Challenges in requirement solicitation. Okay, what are the challenges? This can also be given like a short. Challenges in means you need to write these 3 points. Then next, issues and problems in requirement solicitation. Important question, Hada also. Okay. So this one, what is the question? What are the issues and problems in requirements elicitation? So what are they here? There are a number of things are given. So maybe this question can be asked like list, very important one, or discuss. If it is asked in discuss, you may be asked any talata. Okay. So prepare this question very well. Then next one. How many are there? Issues and problems P 15, 15, 16 are there. Out of 16, you can write about any 3. Lazim, you have to write. If the question is given in list, you need to write minimum ashara. If the question is given like discuss, then you need to write the all points. Okay, this point, sub points you have to write. Then next, requirement elicitation method. This question is also very important. So next one is about requirement solicitation methods. So here this is just the information given about requirement illustration method. This is the RESMA. Example illustration analysis methods. This you have to remember. Okay, analysis. Maybe short. In this, these are the different methods. Illustrating the business goals. From this, you will be getting how many are there? Let us see first. Number one, illustrating the goals. Number two, ethnographic techniques. Number three, prioritization and ranking. Number four, quality. Number five, brainstorming. Five are there. Compulsory, you will get one question from this in explain. Lazim prepare hada, okay? What is the question here? Discuss the uh, requirement illustration methods in detail. So how many are there? Fee total khamsa. Min hada you will be getting one question. So lazim practice hada in long. Not khamsa. You have six. Six are there. So definitely you will be getting one question from that. Hopefully. Clear? Next we have what? Not any three. Discuss any one from six. Any one you have to, anyone you will be given because you have to write all. You can't write just short. You have to write in detail. Next we have the see if the question is for example brainstorming. Then you have to write the definition about brainstorming. What are the key features of brainstorming sessions? Okay. From this, you can write any one or 2 points. Enough. But you have to touch. Understand? For example, I am saying. Next, explain process modeling techniques. So the answer can be this. This slide you have to write about this. Maybe long. Maybe you will be getting this slide like what are the actors, who are the actors, events, maybe multiple choice or some list you will be getting short. Use case analysis. Then next, what is a business rule? Short answer. So what is the question here? What is the business rule and what is business policy? Short answers. Then next we have the characteristics of customer specific business rules. Any one example. Three characteristics, any one example. This can be given like a long. With the help of this customer specific business rules, here this slide and this RESMA. And then next, After that, managing the customer relationship. In this, what can be given means this is just general information, okay? So maybe you will be getting any multiple choice from this. So here, next you have in this slide, you will be getting like explain about managing the requirement solicitation. So here you have to write this slide. What is the client solicitation sessions under this? What comes you have to write. No need to write all. You have to write any six if it is given in the long. The answer is there on slide 30, 31, 32. Maybe this is just for multiple choice point of view. Just go through this. Then explain about for experimental, then product development. About this, you have to write this slide. Okay, that's it for this chapter. Just go through the tips. Maybe you may touch any multiple choice from this. This is all about chapter number 3. Yeah, you can take a break. Take a break after 10, 15 minutes. 6 o'clock we will start.